Hey guys, welcome back. We got a real quick one today. Just a quick styrofoam reduction video to kind of take this trash and turn it into something that may come useful at a future time. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a metal container. I got another glass container to hold it for when we're done reducing it. And of course, acetone or nail polish remover. Now remember, this is a volatile organic compound, so you're working with it. Do it in a well ventilated area because it's not great for the health. Actually gone through quite a bit of acetone there, surprisingly. So what we're going to do now is just transfer all this goo into this candle container. All right, there. That's how we reduce styrofoam into usable future glue. Hope this helps you. Good luck.